We're going for the second ride ever on the Phantom, my brand new board. My, I don't know, what would you call it, hyperboard. It's like the Bugatti of electric skateboards. My electric board, my EB electric board. Oh, that's cool. I'm pretty proud of that actually. EB, Bugatti, which is a Bugatti, an EB, and an EB is an electric board. My electric board, my hyperboard. This is the Anzac Bridge going towards the CBD, and we're going to get some Flappy's chicken sandwiches. Taking you on a ride through Sydney. It's a bit cool too. Look at that moon. Wow. It's pretty big. I don't know how well it's going to come out on the action camera, but pretty amazing from my view. Okie dokie. Now, shit, where's my torch? Here it is. Okay, it's working. Wow, look at that beautiful lotus. I think it was a lotus. Back in the days when I was a lot younger, well, I was younger, I used to... I think he was upset that I didn't have a light. I used to get up to some shenanigans in cars and have the constabulary, the police, you know, the spirited little chasers with me and stuff, you know. I used to be a bit of a little hooligan in cars. That's why no license at the moment, but we won't talk about that. How cool is this bridge? Oh, look at the flag, the Aussie flag. Australians should be really proud of this country. Look at the harbour bridge. Look how beautiful the city and the CBD and everything is. Nearly crashed head on into that bloke. How cool is the city? Harbour bridge. Now we're going to go through Darling Harbour, I think. Once we're through Darling Harbour, we'll be going towards the Sydney Centre. I think it's somewhere near Pitt Street or something. And order a couple of chicken sangers. I've got to learn how to edit my videos more interesting so that there's not so many dead spots and boring. I'm not good at it. Okay, now we're going to see how well this turns on sharp turns. I haven't really experienced it. Let's see if I can make it around this corner. Oh, well, not easily, but I made it round. That's pretty cool for something this big to make it around that corner. Like, I have troubles getting around that in my LaCroix, which is pretty much the same size but much smaller wheels, so it helps the turning. But this seems to turn, I don't know, the truck system, this new truck system that's on this, that I don't know what it's called, I think it's called sat trucks, like sat down, and they seem to be really, really, like, not only responsive, stable, and they turn sharp in when you're not going too fast. And they're stable at high speed. Like, I don't know how they've done it. It's like witchcraft. You know what? I know what. They've obviously done some deal with, like, I don't know, like witches or devil or something, and they've got, look, we'll trade you something, I don't know, their soul, and you give us the formula for no slop in trucks, high speed stability, sharp turning. What else did they ask for with these trucks? Buttery smooth, like crazy. Like you don't feel any. It's mental how smooth they are. Is mental. Nuts is what the word I'm looking for. I've got to turn left onto Harris Street. I'm aiming for that bridge that goes across Darling Harbour. So we're going through, I think this area is called Piermont. There's a West Metro. Didn't even know that is. That's good to know. Nice. It's always good to know where you have the local supermarkets. Okay, we've got to cross this road legally. It's green for someone, somewhere. He's a bit more confident than me. That felt safer. Now I feel offended and I feel like I need to catch him. But look at him, he's zoomed off and he's gone off into another direction. We're not going that way, so we can't catch him. Well, we could catch him, but it would send us on a diversion. I don't want to go on a diversion. Look at that nice Bentley. It's like car spotting. On my electric skateboard, on my electric hyperboard, we'll call it a HB, hyperboard. On my electric hyperboard, EHB. I'm just adding letters to it. It's going to be, soon it's going to be, you know, the alphabet, and then the alphabet police will either take my board in and then I'll lose it forever, or it'll change into something else. You know what I mean? Like it'll change its, you know, who it is. I don't know if that's an offensive joke. It's pretty offensive to someone. Everything offends someone. Okay, so now we're in Darling. Oh look, there's Centrepoint Tower, one of Sydney's attractions, you know, things that people come and look at. There's my torch. Let's look at Darling Harbour over there. Let's look at Darling Harbour. Look how pretty that is. Wow. Even I get shocked. Like I live here and like I look at it and I've seen it a million times, but it's still pretty every single time. Every single time. The architecture, the architects, the designers, they did really, really, really fucking well. It's funny when you see people recording stuff and you're like, oh, they're recording the nice scenery and, you know, stuff and around. But no, they're just recording their own face. Like the most amazing thing could be happening right next to them, but no, it's a selfie. Calm down. They're not recording this life-changing moment or this beautiful scenery. No, they're just recording their face. Thing they see in the mirror a million times, and who knows how many times they take pictures of it. Shit. I don't even know why I'm whinging about people taking photos. What's that got to do with me? Okay, we're now almost in the city now. Actually, we are in the city. We're in the CBD. Have I gone the right way? Yeah, I have. Okay. Yeah. Oh, what's that on the road? Is that shit? Yeah, that's poo. Is that fucking horse shit? Why is there horse shit there? I like it when I get the nod from people. It's like they acknowledge you, like, yep, g'day mate, like, g'day dude on a bike, g'day, and Nellie's like, g'day dude on a skateboard, even though it's night time, or like good night, well not good night, like put you to sleep, good night, like, you know, good evening. Look, more fucking horse poo, horse shit, horse poo, who am I? Now we gotta go up to somewhere. We've got to find Flappy's. It's somewhere off Pitt Street. So let's find Pitt Street first. Well, we can turn off my torch. We don't need that at the moment. Okay. Looking for Pitt Street. Happy hour, $6. Wow, they're cheap beers. I'd want to come here and have a beer for that price. Lots of people in Mulway. Oh, there's a QVB. I don't know how long it's been here, but it's like I think it's a QVB. No, it's not. It's just a building. Well, I'd be a great tour guide. It's the Grace Hotel. It's nothing like the QVB. It's pretty much the only thing like is the same colour. I think it's the same colour, or it might be just the lights. Come on peeps, let's go. Bus lane's gone for me, so I have to go with the people. At people pace. People pace, people pace. Hello peoples, coming past on your right. Oh. The ladies are nice. Try to get past these people. Come past on your right, people, thank you. Coming past on your right, thank you. On your right, thank you. That sucks that the bus lane's cut out. You know what? I'm just going to go onto the road when I get a chance. I'm going to have to. It's too much. Off I go. Up. Where'd he go? Oh, blue Tesla. It's a pretty colour, but okie dokie. Lucky we're doing legal speeds. We just have to find where Flappy's is now. I'm going to guess it's somewhere in here. This is Pitt Street Mall. And if you're going to put a fast food joint anywhere, it would be in the mall, wouldn't it? Oh look, it's a Lego store. It's not bricks and minifigs, is it? No, nothing to do with them. They'll steal your Lego, especially if you're an old person. Well, that's what the internet told me. By the way, this is Pitt Street Mall. This is where, you know, go shopping for stuff like shoes and, I don't know, Goella. That's not a brand. Golia. Okay, so it's a Golly. Golius, which is an Australian slang for snotty spit, you know, when you cough up a big snotty spit, that's a golly. And that was what that was called, a gollier. Well, I suppose there was an A in the end, which doesn't make it a golly, and you want to make it a gollier. We've got to find this shop. I feel like there's no... Okay, turn left onto Market Street. here. Let's have a look. Hopefully we're close by. I've arrived? How have I arrived? What? And left and left. Where's Flappies? Maybe it's in here. Huh? Okay. Maybe it's in here. I'm gonna have to look. Ah, here we go. You know what? I'll put in that information thing in front of me. Hopefully it's like, I don't know, voice activated or something. Okay. I'm here, Flappies. Flappies fried chicken. Okay. I need to go to level 5. And that's up in the corner. How do we get there? Escalators. Oh my god, okay. Drag the board up. 5 sets of escalators. Well, 3. If we're at level 2 and we're going to level 5. Okay. Let's go. This is a very upper class shopping centre. Like, it's got all expensive brands and stuff. There we go, Prada. Maybe one day I'll be able to buy some cool clothes from one of these cool brands. Not today though. Today, I'm struggling to buy Flappies. What level are we on now? I think we got to go one more. I think we're almost there. I hope so. That was a big trek up a lot of stairs. Well, not stairs, escalators, but still a trek when you're dragging 30 plus kilos of batteries. Now where's Flappies? Chinese foods. We're looking for chicken Flappies. I know it is. I know there's one in here somewhere. It said it on the information thing. Okay, I'm not going to fit through here. Oh. I'm never going to find it. Oh. It's got to be up here somewhere. Flappies chicken, where are you? Am I that unlucky that it's literally the furthest away? Is that it? Finally, I found it. Flappies chicken. Oh. Put my board down over here. Now time to order. Hi. Hi, can I please order 2 classic Flappies sandwiches with With cheese. The chicken. Sorry?
Additional cheese?
Additional cheese, yeah. So the classic sandwich, the normal with cheese.
2 of them?
2. Flappy's classic with cheese. 2 with cheese.
Do you have a name?
Sorry?
Your name?
E-Skatester. Just write skate. Thank you.